We are in our room finally. So yeah, we checked in initially this morning. Got a text message about 2 o'clock to say that the room was ready, and it's now 3:30ish. 4 o'clock.
Ooh, it's 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Day's getting away with me. So we are in our room. We are on the 3rd floor, Tower 1 in Surfside. So I will spin you around and give you the room tour. Right, so we have our front door there. Nice big mirror. Hey everyone. Come into the room and you have this tiny, and it is tiny, like wardrobe space. No door, just the curtain. But then got your ironing board, your luggage rack, extra pillows, and your safe is to the side there. That is opposite your bathroom, so lots of mirrors. This is what I'm noticing straight off. So you've got your big mirror, your little hairdryer, sink, extra towels are under there. Come in, you've got the door, you've got your toilet and your shower, and that is a really nice size shower. So it's there you can see, and there's your washing line as well for your swimsuits and bits. So yeah, really nice size bathroom, very clean, very bright. You come through, you've got your AC control. That's the connecting door if you use that, if you've got 2 rooms. 2 queen size beds, so they look really comfy. I'm going to look forward to getting in them tonight. Got some very nice surfy artwork up there. Come round, you've got obviously the Eat Sleep Surf artwork that's in all of the Surfside rooms, and the coffee maker, ice bucket. In this cupboard under here is the little cooler. You've got the 3 drawers there, the little ottoman puffy, TV, and
Miss Mia
Sharon in the corner.
on a chair.
Not every room gets a Sharon in the corner. Yeah, so this is the room. We are overlooking the bus stop and Dockside across the road. So it's looking a bit windy and out there, but yep. So this is our room for the next 10 days.